Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back to show you another half circle crochet pattern using the beautiful bubble stitch pattern. This half circle is very easy to make. Is worked in one row is a bubble stitch and one row, which is the single crochet, is the increase of each row to make the half circle big, yeah, and to expand it into a straight line like this and an even look like this. I'm gonna show you quickly how to make it so you can make your own. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice you like, with the recommended crochet hook on the label. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I will chain 2. I will make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 6 single crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 and I will start the first round of bubble stitch. So in the first chain from the hook, which is this one, I'm gonna yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, yarn over again, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2. I'm gonna repeat total of 5 times and I should have 6 loops on my hook. So yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, pull through 2. Again, insert the hook after you yarn over, pull through 2. Now I've got 3, 4, 5, one more. Okay, pull through 2. I've got 6 loops. I'm gonna pull through all the loops slowly and a single crochet in the next stitch. After the bubble stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I will repeat in the next stitch another bubble stitch. So the bubble stitch rounds will have no increase or decrease at any point of time. It's just the next row, which is the single crochet, where we will do the decreases, so to make the half circle bigger. So the bubble stitch is 6 incomplete half double crochet joined all together. So 6 loops, pull through all, push forward, single crochet in the next stitch. I've got 2 more stitches, so 1 bubble stitch and 1 single crochet. One more. Pull through all. And the last stitch is a single crochet. Oops. Okay. So this is how it looks from the back so far, and this is how it looks from the front. And the single crochet round will make it straight and even. Okay, so what I will do now, chain 1 and turn. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in every stitch. So the first stitch is over here, 2 single crochet. The next stitch is on top of the bubble, again 2 single crochet. The next stitch is over here, 2 single crochet. So I should have total of 12 single crochet. And the last one is over here, 2 single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. And now again I'm gonna make a bubble stitch row. So it's the same thing for the bubble stitch. Chain 1, I'm gonna yarn over, pull through, again 6 incomplete, 5 incomplete double crochet joined all together. So one more. You should have 6 loops to join together. So if you're wondering why 6 loops, the first loop is from the chain 1. And single crochet in the next stitch. And I will repeat till the end of the round. So with the increase of the single crochet row, you get automatically increases in the bubble stitch number. And 6. And the last bubble stitch and single crochet of this round. Single crochet in the last stitch. This is how it looks like so far. Now we're gonna continue with the round of the single crochet. What we're gonna do is 2 single crochet in chain 1 first. So 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch. So we're decreasing the number of 2 single crochet in a stitch by 1, and that will keep increasing in every single crochet round, where in the next single crochet round we will do 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and so on. So for this round is 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. The written pattern will be linked in the description box if you need to have a look at it. and again we will do the bubble stitch round. So I'll finish this bubble stitch round and I'll come back to show you what to do on the next round and explain further how to expand your bubble stitch half circle. And here we are at the end of the bubble stitch round. And I'll finish the last bubble. And here it is, and this is how it looks so far. So 1 2 3 4 5 rounds into the half circle. This is how it looks like. Now the next round, like we said, we will decrease again the 2 single crochet in a stitch by 1. So I'll start in the first stitch with 2 single crochet. In the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 2 single crochet. In the following stitches, 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, like so till the end of the round. And again the next round will be a bubble stitch. So we'll finish this before I explain further. And the last 2 stitches, 1 single crochet each. Oops. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. The more you go with the rounds, the more pretty it looks, like this one here. So now we have done the row of single crochet, 2 single crochet in a stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. Then I will follow up with a bubble stitch round, and the next round of single crochet will be 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, so we keep increasing. And the next round of single crochet afterwards will be 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 4 stitches. Again, as always, if you get confused, the written pattern is there to help you to go further with the rows. It's written, I think, till row 10 or 15, so you can make it big enough, and then you can follow on your own with how many rounds you want to do. The pattern looks challenging, but it's very easy to make once you get the hang of it. What else? So you can make any project of your choice you want. The hook, you can choose whether it's the same hook size as the yarn label, recommended in the yarn label, or you can use a bigger, slightly bigger one, half size or even 1 size bigger. If you have any further questions about this pattern, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and I hope you like the tutorial as much as I do. I do love the bubble stitch so much. It looks really distinguished and very pretty pattern. I have done the circle bubble stitch in the past. I'll try and put the link in the video or in the description box. I have many patterns with a bubble stitch. I hope you'll have a look at them and enjoy them as well. Till next time, take care, bye bye.